Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to export a content inventory report from Cascade CMS as a CSV file. This is a really useful report if you're doing a content audit, reviewing ownership, planning for accessibility work, which is why this is so relevant at the moment, or preparing for a site cleanup or migration. I'll show you how to access the report, filter it to a specific folder, and export the results so that you can work with them in Excel. Okay, first, let's start from the Cascade dashboard. In the upper right corner of the screen, click the Systems menu. That's the hamburger icon. From there, select Reports. This will take you to a list of all available system reports in Cascade. Next, on the Reports page, look for Content Inventory and click on Content Inventory to open the report. By default, this report shows all assets you have permissions to view across the site. So the first thing we'll want to do is narrow it down to your site. In the upper right corner of the Content Inventory screen, click Filter Results. This opens the filter panel on the right side of the screen, where you can control exactly what content appears in the report. Scroll down to restrict the folders and click Choose Folder. In the folder picker, select the Browse tab. Navigate through the folder structure to find your site's folder. Select the folder and click Choose in the upper right corner. Once selected, you'll see that folder listed under Restrict to Folders. Next, scroll up to Asset Types. Here, you can choose which types of content to include in your report. Available are pages, files, blocks, or links. For most audits, pages and files are a good starting point, but you can adjust this depending on what you're reviewing. Unless you need something very specific, you can leave the other filters like publish status, owner, or dates set to any value. When you're ready, click Apply Filter. The report will refresh with your filtered results. At the top, you'll see the summary metrics like potentially unused assets or assets pending review or stale assets. Below that is the results table, which includes details like last modified date, last published date, review date, ownership, and relationships. Take a moment to confirm that this list reflects the content you want to export. Next, we'll export the CSV file. Once everything looks right, click Export CSV in the upper right corner of the screen. Cascade will down a CSV file containing your filtered content inventory. You can open this file in Excel or another spreadsheet tool to sort, filter, or share the data. And that's it. This export reflects only the filters you applied, so it's a good idea to double check your folder and asset selection before exporting. This export is commonly used for content audits, accessibility planning, ownership reviews, and pre-migration work. Thanks for watching, and if you have questions or need help interpreting your report, feel free to reach out to Web Services.